Wanna know how to Extreme Z awaken characters in Dokkan battle? So, Extreme Z awakening or EZA takes your Dokkan units beyond their limits. Here's how. First, make sure your characters is Dokkan awakened and max level. There was created a video on how to perform Dokkan awaken, so make sure to watch it. Then, play the corresponding EZA events that uses awakening medals instead of traditional ones. You'll need Zenny and special EZA medals earned by clearing EZA stages. Each stages increases your character's power and level cap. After each awaken, re-level your unit to unlock the next stage. EZA boost stats, super attack levels, and sometimes even leader or passive skills. It's a total power overhaul. Some EZAs are event limited, so watch the schedule closely. Once fully awakened, your EZA unit can outdamage even newer characters. So grind those stages and keep upgrading till you get hit the max. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.